One Piece chapter 997 was absolutely incredible. On one hand, we had the teasers for Zoro's Conqueror's Haki, and on the other hand, we had the true display of Chopper's potential as a doctor. All of this was really incredible, but the ending panel was beyond anything. If someone would have told me last week that something like this was going to happen, then I would have really laughed it off, but now this is absolutely mesmerizing. Because Kaido has literally plugged out the island of Onigashima and he's about to drop it off at Flower Capital, thereby making it New Onigashima. This was really incredible and we need to talk about this. Hello and welcome to Undervisey. My name is Soham and today we are going to talk about a theory that's going on my mind after I read chapter 997. This will be basically a prediction involving chapter 998 and more, and this will of course involve Momonosuke as well as Yamato. So let's talk about this. But before that, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to the channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content. We're also trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, so like and sub would be massively appreciated. Now, in order to discuss this thing, we first need to go back to Punk Hazard, because that is when we were actually introduced to Momonosuke and we actually got to see something like this there as well. Remember when Momonosuke was actually introduced for the first time in his dragon form? He was actually flying with the help of these cloud-like things, these orange cloud-like things. And here in chapter 997, Yamato finally confirms the fact that yes, dragons fly by the help of a thing called flame clouds. And via the help of this thing, they fly themselves or they make other things fly as well. And that is exactly what is going on here because Kaido has lifted up the island of Onigashima. Now there can be a lot of implications to all of this and how exactly this island can be saved as well as how Flower Capital could be saved. Because of course if the island of Onigashima is dropped upon the Flower Capital, then nobody is going to survive. This is similar to the situation of Birdcage that happened in Dressrosa, and this kind of a climactic event is used by Oda a lot in his previous arcs as well. This raises the stakes of the situation and this also provides motive for the other characters to get involved into the fight. Now of course Luffy and maybe even Zoro are going to fight Kaido, but what about the rest of the people? How are they going to stop an entire island from falling into the Flower Capital? This is a very big question, but I think we all know the answer. I think two people are going to save Onigashima as well as the Flower Capital, and that's none other than Momonosuke as well as Yamato. Both of them are dragons in some way or the other. Of course, Momonosuke can now transform into a Zoan type dragon after he ate the smile fruit, and Yamato, according to the implications that we have seen so far, is a dragon, is an actual dragon herself. Now, we don't know what exactly will be going on here and how the things will evolve, but I think this will be the moment that Momonosuke will finally step up. He has already had a lot of character development from the time we actually met him when he was a total perv, but now he's actually channeling the spirit of his father, his dead father, Kozuki Oden. This will be a great moment for him to become the leader, the true leader of Wano, and this will be the time for him to channel his inner Kozuki blood. Moreover, this will be a very poetic scenario as well, where Kaido is once again trying to destroy Wano after 20 years, but now this time he will be stopped by none other than the son of Kozuki Oden, Kozuki Momonosuke, as well as the person who wields the will of Kozuki Oden, that is Yamato. This will be really amazing, and if both of them are actually dragons, then they can produce flame clouds of their own, and this will be able to support the island from falling into the Flower Capital and thereby causing widespread destruction. I feel like this will be a very important event and this will eventually lead to something which I think Oda has been teasing us for a really long time now. Of course, this is the question in everyone's mind that who will be the Straw Hat, who will be the next Straw Hat who will be joining them. I personally feel that all the 4 characters that we have introduced so far will be joining soon into the Straw Hats. And who are the 4 characters? Yamato, Tama, Momonosuke as well as Carrot. I really feel like all 4 of them are genuine candidates to join the Straw Hats, but we'll talk about that later on in a different video. But for now, I really think that Momonosuke as well as Yamato will be able to stop Onigashima from falling into the Flower Capital, and this will be really awesome to watch. Of course, they will be supported by other people as well, maybe Marco will also join the fray, but this will be a battle between a dragon as well as a dragon. Of course, we all know that Momonosuke is still a child and of course he's not as strong as the other ones. That is why Yamato's support will be very important here. And these two people will be finally able to stop the prophecy and they will finally be able to step into the shoes of Kozuki Oden. This will be very poetic and really amazing to watch as well. So what do you guys think about this particular theory? Do you agree or do you disagree? What are your thoughts about it? Please mention them in the comment section below. I will be making another video soon on Zoro's Conqueror's Haki because that is one thing which has been intriguing me for a really long time now, and that particular panel of Zoro chopping off Appu's arm was absolutely amazing. But then again, this is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is WonderYZ and I'll see you soon in the next video.